Welcome back to Daytime Love. We're joined by Natalie Summers, Assistant Sales and Marketing Manager for Radio, and Carl Ivy, Miss Ivy, Promotions Manager of Carl's, and they're here to talk about the RJR Gleaner cross-country invasion that kicks off this Friday.
Yeah.
Awesome stuff. So it's been 16 years since the cross-country has been happening.
Celebrating
So the audience that will be at the 3 locations, what are they going to get? What are they in store for?
Well, this year it's something new where we're having 3 launches on the same day. The first in the morning from 5 a.m. to 9 will be at St. William's Grant Park in downtown Kingston. The second one will take place at Turtle River Park, where we're planning to do something a little different this year with having, nobody wants to call it a clash really, but it will be the hits competing with 94. So that will make it a little different this year. So make it more exciting. And then we end with a party vibe at Ken's Wildflower in Portmore.
No, this is like going all over that.
Yes, yes.
What will be happening at the cross-country runs? Take us, what's happening through the parishes and what can we expect?
Well, we'll be having OBs at individual locations, which is outside broadcast at some locations, maybe supermarkets, schools, plus the family fun days every Saturday. Starting the first one in Region 1 in Oberlin High School. Yeah, that's the first one. Second one, Port Maria High. That's the family fun days. So it's really getting all the parishes involved, both Kingston, out of town, St. Mary, Santa Cruz. What's the other one?
All right, so we're going to talk Carl's for a little bit here.
Okay.
Carl's has been a sponsor for cross-country for
12 years.
12
out of the 16,
years.
that's
What
Yes.
kind of special giveaways you have in store for the audiences this year?
Well, Kaz is food, right?
Straight.
So, would you all enjoy food? Right, for sure.
Them for sure.
For sure. Right, so we carry out different kind of hype to cross country. We are really cross country because persons look forward to meet and greet the Cal's family. This year we are pushing our Cal's tomato ketchup, our Cal's hot and spicy mackerel, which is new on the market, and also our Cal's corned beef. Not to be left out is our Cal's fruit flavored syrups. Because that comes with snow cone, and you know that turnip, especially on a Saturday, you know, it's hot and it is vibesy, and we just make sure that persons have a good time around Cal's. So, I mean, Cal's, as our tagline says, we are quality joins affordability. So we live to our words. So we make sure that when persons come on out there, they'll have a day full of Cal's. Not only on the Saturdays, but wherever we go during the cross-country 5 weeks of invasion.
You know them call Miss Ivy?
Tell me.
Cross-country mama. That's true. Like, no, I'm serious. Like every single sponsor.
That's awesome.
No. If you're a part of cross-country, you don't know who Miss Ivy is. You're not part of cross-country.
Oh, wow, that's good to know. Thank you.
Every year we say they are going like us. Oh, that's so nice.
That means to take care of the good. That's good.
That's not
That's
boss.
good. That's good. It's
Cheers.
always nice when
Cheers.
people have things
Cheers.
like that to say. What kind of acts, what are the names of the acts that you can confirm? You know, we don't want you let out all of the cats.
Just for Friday.
Just for Friday,
Just for Friday.
we have quite a few. We have Chronic Law, Kevin Downswell, Kamar Icon,
Sauce Boss.
yeah, Etano, Elephant Man, Munga Honorable.
Find it.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if I should disclose, but Beanie Man is expected to be there.
Moses.
Tanya Stevens. Yeah, that's about most of the, you know, we'll have a lot more artists.
Okay, cross-country is happening for how long?
5 weeks.
5 weeks,
This
starting this Friday.
January 31st, and we end March 7th
And you're going to every single parish.
with
Trying to.
yes.
I don't see why them can't do it. Let's do it.
Yeah, well, it
Yeah,
has
with the
been done,
support
huh?
of everyone. Yeah,
man,
we
can
can.
get it done, man.
Yeah, man, it has been done. Huh?
Yeah.
Can get it
Dufton,
done.
you know that.
Yeah.
You know, Miss Ivy has a job here. Too.
So hold on, little.
Yes.
I have a little weird question to ask. Since we're talking Carl's now,
Yeah.
right? And we have the sauce boss on the I don't know if some kind of alignment is in store. It would be cool if you had a line of sauces on Carl's.
Well, maybe
He's
it's
the sauce boss.
There you go.
Why not?
That's a
You
good
should approach him.
suggestion.
Yes, we could.
Yeah.
With me.
If you're coming out with sauces.
Yes.
As a
Why
part,
not?
As a part of the launch, on Friday,
Yes.
Turtle River Park.
Yes.
I must link them up.
No, well, we are going to be there.
Yes.
Yeah, but the entire cast.
Yeah, all four we are gonna.
Oh yeah, daytime live will be
Daytime,
there.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, Natalie, did you just say, oh yeah?
And we name we know.
No, Craigie's gonna be there.
Anybody what
Duffy's
we
gonna be
say,
there.
I go win the clash. I go win the clash.
Okay.
So now I do some dub plate.
Huh?
For who?
I don't know yet. Make us see who have the money.
But it promises to be, exciting. I remember on a
this year
Saturday,
it is,
you start from in the morning. In addition to the fun day, you have a road parade,
Yeah.
which goes into different communities with a bus and all of those things, and you stop in various communities and have action.
Yeah.
That's all.
It's a lot.
Bus coming back?
Well, I don't know if the bus is coming back, but I know the parade is there.
Yeah.
If persons want any information on cross-country activities, the stops, just for the 5 weeks, where can they go? Where can they get information?
They can email us at rjrgleanergroup.com or on our website, the RJR Marketing Department. They can get information, as well as email myself, natalie.samuels@rjrgleanergroup.com.
And I'm sure,
And social
I'm sure,
media,
yeah.
I'm sure
Watch
all the
TV
brands,
for the promo.
Yeah,
all
all
the
the
brands, they can
brands.
check out their Fame,
Yeah.
Hits, TVJ,
All the
everybody.
group will be involved.
Yeah,
All
so they
radio
can go there.
stations,
I mean,
TVJ.
it's always awesome when you get to interact and engage with the viewing public.
Definitely.
So, Cars is a people's brand, and we're here, and we will be in every parish, like we just said a while ago.
So,
We're going around. And we have some giveaways for the audience from Cars as well. They might have to play a little game in order to win, but
stay tuned. Daytime Live will be right back with the Gustazos.
Order of the day. Offer.
Did you say order of the day?
I did.